Hi everyone, Brad here. Welcome to Walkthrough Wednesday. Today, I'm going to show you everything we currently have available for sale. Join me. First up is this 2023 Flying Cloud 23 FB Twin. I've done a video on this already. You can scroll back in our YouTube channel and find it. Next is an Interstate 19, a 2022 model. I have two of these actually. One's a 2022 two-wheel drive, one's a 2023 four-wheel drive. Beautiful models and ready to go. Now is this 2023 27 front bed Globetrotter. I did a tour of this one last week. You can see the whole thing on our YouTube channel. Scroll back to last Wednesday, Walkthrough Wednesday. I have a 2022 Airstream 24 GT. Beautiful model. I have this 2023 25 front bed, twin bed, Flying Cloud with a bunk. And I have this 2023 16 Basecamp X. That's it for the new models. Here are some of our consignments. I still have this 2018 27 FB Globetrotter. I have this 2016 25 rear bed, twin bed Flying Cloud. I have this 2014 27 front bed Flying Cloud. And I have this 2021 Atlas Tommy Bahama edition. This makes up our consignment vehicles that we have available. Thanks for joining me today on this Walkthrough Wednesday. If you have any questions about any of these models, you can find out more information on our website, airstreamofutah.com. There we have photos, videos, pricing on everything. Or you can give us a call or send us an email, but we'd love to meet you in person. So stop by and check them out. Have a great day, everyone, and happy adventure.